What's up, everybody? Today we're at the first partner pack, so let's do this pack open. So inside you get three jumbo cards. So we have Chespin, Fennekin, and Froakie jumbo cards. You also get two packs. So we have one pack of Sun and Moon, and also one pack of Battle Styles. And that's everything you get inside. So let's open the two packs. So starting off with Sun and Moon base set. Here's a code. For the front, Fair Energy, Poliwrath, Dragonair, Golbat, Rowlet, Cosmog, Lillipup, Wingull, Snubbull, Rockarola, and another regular rare. Second pack, we have Battle Styles. Here's code. For the front, Fighting Energy, Fearow, Swordward, and Shelbert, Gligar, Bronzor, Bellsprout, Electabuzz, Gligar, Honedge, Single Strike Energy, and Electrifive, regular, rare. So out of two packs, we pulled 0 reverse rares and only 2 regular rares. So thank you for the video, and smash the button, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!